Hey guys, another video for the Vending Machines in Japan playlist. Chock full of yumminess ice cream vending machine. Chocolate and peanuts and chocolate. Chocolate and sort of a waffle coating on the outside. These are really good. Soda. It's like a soda flavored outside with little balls of soda on the inside. Very yummy. Strawberry with waffle on the outside. Icy fruits, ice cream, like a soft cream, fabulous, and chocolate with chocolate and extra chocolate. Yummy, yummy convenience right there. More videos coming soon.